Ako, si Mr. Joseph Estrada. Dito, nasa Hong Kong Airport. Alright.
Okay guys, it's 6:25 and I'm here with, what's your name? Hans. What's your full name?
Francis Hansol Manzano.
Okay, here's Hans with me. We're going to the airport and we're going back to Manila. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Patitikinin kita. Sige.
Okay, there's an accident. The shuttle ran over to the gate. Pero pa yata dito. And at least traffic kami for about 15 minutes. Medyo malayo ka. Ay, oo, yan.
Ako dapat.
Uh-oh, that's bad.
Ayla. Tata Ayla.
Kasi naman si ate nandun na.
Dito.
Ikaw nga nakalag dito eh.
Ano naalala niya tayo?
Okay, Terminal 1.
Ay, sabi na pala ni Cecil, sorry.
Ito na yung airport, Hans.
Starbucks. Uy, Starbucks!
Oh. Kami sa loob. Okay, so we're entering Terminal 1. Ito. Oh, San, ikaw nga magawa kumakanan. San? Ikaw na. Ah, hindi ako na. Kaya ko na. Ay, hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko kaya kaliwa. San? Ikaw na. Dali. Ang hirap ikaliwa. Bigat eh. Bigat ng backpack ko for information.
Ikaw magdalo.
Kami at itimbangin ko. And dito tayo ngayon sa Cheklapkok International. Titignan natin sa TV mamaya. Saan yung flight natin. Anyway, yan sila. Yan yung yung mga rampa-rampa. Rampa pababa. Rampa pababa pa rin. Let's go to Cathay Pacific flight. Information, dito tayo sa B. Checking in. Papila lang. Medyo walang tao ngayon. Very unusual. Ayun. Ayan. Yung view ng Terminal 1. Ayan, so dito na kami. Checking in. Now really checking in. At ang tahimik ng airport. Halos kami lang yatang alis. Puro Cathay Pacific lang. Ayan sila Darrell. At ayun yung security check. Yung park sa kabila pa. Yep, sa kabila pa yata. Ano, walang tao-tao eh. You won't hear any people talking, chatting. Yan lang. 7:22. We're almost done with the boarding. With the check-in. Quick view lang. Ganda ng ceiling nila. It's amazing! Okay, we're heading on to the security check. Medyo pagod lang. Last minute shopping kasi. Kanina naglalakad pa kami sa city. Right, so here's our boarding pass already. And a security check and immigration, by the way. Departures south. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. Marami ng security. Okay, fill up kami
Destination.
ng departure card. Ayan, sila Tita Sex. Sila Tita Ea, nakita ko na. Matawid sa security check. And dalawang bata. Disneyland Hotel. And sa likod namin yung immigration. Oops. Okay, so here's gate 1. Ay, may gate 2 rin pala doon. It's gate 3. Here's si Cathay Pacific plane. Dragon Air yata yung nasa likod niya. And so siya yung kakatas ng security rin. We're waiting for our grandma. Sige, Disneyland store. Right, hintayin natin si Ama. Si Ama ba pumila na?
Ha?
Pumila na ba si Ama?
Oh, you're the best. Oh, you're the best.
Ano? Isa ba?
Wow, you're the best.
Ito na yung mga stores. Actually, may under construction doon. No? Kita nyo may white na pader. Alright, dito muna kami. Bye! Alright, so dito kami kumakain. Dito kami sa may bar. iPad. Ayan. Our gate is gate 63. Pero kami ni Ocean mag-walk na lang kami. Sila magte-train. Dito tayo. In 63.
Ito lang diretso na. 20 na po, 22. Layo rin pa rin.
Kasi
si Joseph.
skip. I'm stalk the past president. Hey there, old guy. What's up? What's up, old guy?
Kasama niya. Sino kasama niya?
Ako, si Mr. Joseph Estrada. Dito, nasa Hong Kong Airport.
Alright. I'm gonna eat my Popeyes jersey. Oh, Popeyes jersey. Popeyes uniform. Oh, Popeyes uniform. Right, so we're heading to our gate. Gate 63. Oh, saan? Kuha ka ng brochure. One?
May bababa tayo din, di ba?
Oh, not yan. Hindi, dito na. Dito na. Train yan eh.
Ay, ang nga pa, okay.
Right, so dito si Arab. Here na po. Holding the camera again in front of me. Dito na ako kumain.
Kasama ni Derek Ramsey sa ano? Sal kapatid. Ano ba yan? Sino ba yan?
I don't know. Oops. Someone tweeted me. Anyway, lakad lang tayo. Yan eh, oh. Front. Walk later. Yan. Sarap maglakad. Ito yung ginagawa, oh. Actually, construction yan eh. Dapat may nakikita na tayong plane ngayon eh. But, white. And there, that one. US Embassy. Starbucks. Right? Let's walk. Oops, someone texted me. Yeah. Oh, kaway kayo. At the camera. Wala pumansin sa akin. Rolex watch. Arrival area. And yun lang. Oh, planes. Cathay Pacific.
Paano mo lolobat ka na?
Rico. Okay, dun kami galing. And yun, so this is the third, I think, Vocalator. Yan. So dyan kami nang galing.
Ito mo na ng battery?
Hindi pa, naubos ko lang. Ooh, what is this? CR. Actually, restroom. Okay, so CX279 for Paris at gate number 25. Gate number 26 naman is for Doha, Qatar. And the plane hasn't arrived yet. Oh, there's a phone. Ocean! Ayla! I'm at a payphone. Payphone. Please mind your step. Please mind your step.
Ito?
Okay, so this, we're going to this CX408, gate number 27, KA5408 for Taipei. Both for Taipei. Ayan. Off to the fourth o fifth na. I lost track. Anyway. Yan na. Oh, dumadami na yung tao dito. As you can see. I'm seeing a British Airways and a Finnair. Finnair, yeah.
Ito na akong konting tao.
Pangit lang kasi, lalo na ngayon, short trip lang. Parang pagdating mo sa bahay, pagod na pagod ka na. So, gate 29 is for Mumbai and gate number 30 is for Singapore. I think I'm gonna go to the loo. There. Behind gate number 29. Okay. Yeah, my phone is acting weird. My iPhone. Kanina ginamit ko lang sa Victoria's Peak. 1.5 hour lang siya nakabukas kanina, pero pagtingin ko ngayon 17 ano na lang percent, hindi ko nga ginamit. After Victoria's Peak, wala na, hindi ko na ginamit. Tas wifi nakasarado. I texted nobody. Tingin ko ngayon, what the hell is happening? Ganun din nangyari din sa Inusan, di ba? Kailan ba yan? Kailan yan? Isang araw, di ba? Hong Kong's weird, man. Kahapon. Hong Kong's weird. Oh, 747. Let me see. Mauna ka na kung gusto mo. Pagod ka na eh. Go ako. Ma-plane spot this 747 right here. What airline it is. Ayaw mo ako sumama? Oh, it's a Cathay Pacific. Ha. Let's do a pilot spotting again. Pilot spotting. Pilot spotting. Where are you? There you are. Bye. We're guessing that's an A380 Emirates right there. Yeah, it's an A380 talaga. Promise. Maglapit natin doon. Makikita natin siya. And we have reached the top. Hurry! We've reached the top. Puro lakas sa mood.
Dito ba tayo bumaba?
Nandito yung train yan. Sa baba yung train. So ito yung arrival area. Yung bababa. Diba? Tapos yun na yung mga nag-depart.
Doon nga tayo, pagka-akit natin ng train.
Oo nga. Doon nga yun. 60 to 80. See? After gate 32, 69 kasunod. That's very good mathematics right there. And na final call na nila. Kala nila pupunta kami in Dubai. We're just taking pictures and videos. What a big plane. Hi there. Oops. Finally, got to see you in person. I mean the Emirates. I saw the Qantas way back 2009 sa LA. I got to see the Emirates A330. Let's do some plane or some pilot spotting. Hindi na makita. Actually, you can see na they're moving. Yep, from a different view. Emirates A330. There you go. Awesome. Okay, so they're announcing their final boarding call. First time to see Emirates A380. Ako sinabi ko A330 yata kanina. It's an A380. It's like an A340 on steroids. Ganda-ganda ng finish ng paint sa harap. Grabe, kitang-kita ng pintab, oh. And they're putting cargo. Alam ko dyan sa baba, dyan near sa cargo na yan yung crew rest area nila. Kasi dati nagprint pa talaga ako ng seat plan yan. Nagprint ako ng seat plan nung lumabas yung aeroplano yan.
Ano?
Nakalagay sa taas ng kama ko. Yun. Seat plan ng Emirates, ng A380.
Ano meron?
Kung saan yung crew rest area, yung floor plan itself. Sobrang adik ko sa aeroplano. Oh! Philippine Airlines! There's a Nope. That's an A340. Yan sila kaya ni Mami papuntang Vancouver. Yun pala, nagkaroon ng problema yung aeroplano ni Mami, yung 777.
No.
Wala.
Ano yung nasa taas ng gitna?
One world ko dyan. Nasirang sticker na nakalagay 70 years Philippine Airlines. Yun, nagka-aberya yung aeroplano ni Mami yung 777. I don't know kung engine something or konti lang daw yung pasero kaya they switched to an A340.
Diba yan yung...
Ayun na yung gate namin, gate 63. Going there now. Alright, tayin ko na to kasi baka biglang mag-stop at hindi ma-record yung kinukunan ko Emirates A380. Bye, A380. Go there, bye. Natin. eh.